friends, Angela here. Welcome back to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video, I'm using a 10 by 20 canvas, and I am going to paint just a really colorful painting. And let me show you the colors right there. I have phthalo blue, that's by Arteza. And that will be followed by DecoArt 24K gold, creamy, beautiful creamy color. And yeah, it's a really beautiful color. I love this paint. And then we have here DecoArt metallic violet. And then here we have burned amber by Arteza as well. And then finally we have turquoise blue. It's another beautiful turquoise color with a little bit of blue in it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And basically we're just gonna go ahead and make two puddles, lay the paints on top of each other, and then I will tilt the canvas and make my design. So let's enjoy the music and the process of the painting, and I hope you like it. Actually, I'm doing voiceover now, but it turned out really beautiful. You'll be able to see it at the end of the video. So keep watching, enjoy the music, and I will talk to you and show you the final result. I don't think I will be able to show you the dried result because I need to post this like tonight. So once I paint this, I'm just gonna show you the wet result, and then yeah, we'll go from there. If it dries, if I end up posting this tomorrow, then I will show you the final result. Okay, great. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you being here and watching the videos and coming back to my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss it on any of my new and latest videos and new videos. So yeah, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with your friends and family, like, comment, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for being here. I'll talk to you in a little bit. some metallic berry by DecoArt. This beautiful color here. And what I am going to use that for is to embellish the painting, because I was hoping that it would give me a lot of sales, but it did not. So I want to go ahead and embellish it and kind of make it a little bit more beautiful. Yeah, so enjoy. Okay, it looks like we are done here. We are done with this painting, and it turned out really beautiful. I love the burst of colors. Beautiful colors. They look awesome. So yeah, it was a simple painting, but it turned out really wonderful. I love it. And this is the wet result, and I am going to show you the final result at the end, so keep watching. Okay guys, here is the dry result, and it actually dried exactly the way it was when it was wet. So it is really nice. I like it. I love it a lot. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment if you like, and I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.